What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I want to talk about how I was able to pass my 50k eval with alpha futures. All right, so basically I've been taking only one trade a day, and so this is the power of only taking one trade, keeping your risk managed and following your plan to a T. You don't have to full port these evals. You don't have to rush the process. I had my set risk that I wanted to risk every single day, and I had the setup that I was going to take every single day. And in 5 trading days, we ended up passing. All right. So if you guys don't follow me on Twitter, follow me on Twitter at Austin Day Trades right here, and we can just go over these trades that I took. All right. So this was day one when I restarted the challenge and bought this 50k. So on day one, I ended up making $1,100 right here. As you can see, this was the trade. Always the same exact setup, basically waiting for a higher time frame PD array to be tapped into or a higher time frame sweep, and then entering off either a CISD or a IFVG, right, on a lower time frame. But that's usually, not even usually, that is always the entry. All right, so that was day one right here. As you can see, 1100 profit. Right, day two, again, this was 675 profit right here. Right, same thing, higher time frame PD array gets tapped into. And then what am I entering off of? This looks like I entered off of a CISD on the lower time frame, right? Smack TP, right? Day three, you're gonna see a pattern every single time. It's the same trade, right? So day three, what is this? Looks like we had SMT here, tapped into a higher time frame PD array again. And then it looks like we had a 1 minute CISD and we made $500 on day three. Now on day four, right? Again, as you can see, it's always the same thing, guys. You don't need to overcomplicate your trading, right? This looks like a higher time frame sweep, right? We have a inversion here on the lower time frame. Schmack TP, right? That was for $431. And today, which was day five, right? We passed the account. And what did we do? We swept a previous day high. We got a CISD. We got an inverse fair value gap on the lower time frame. And we entered the trade and we schmacked TP and we passed the challenge, as you can see right here. So it's really that simple, guys. Even if you have a losing day, walk away after that losing trade. You don't have to chase it back. You don't have to be green on the day. You can make it back another day. You know what I'm saying? Don't force it. If you crash out, that's what's going to keep you from passing these accounts. That's what's going to keep you from not getting to a payout, or from getting to a payout. And it's pretty much that simple, guys. I keep it very, very simple. I take the same trade setup every single day. You know what I mean? If I don't get my entry criteria, I'm not going to take the trade, right? You want to set these firm rules for yourself, right? Whether that's 1 or 2 trades a day, whether that's risking $500. Every trade that I took during this process of passing this eval, I was risking $500. So I'm comfortable with taking a 1% risk every day for one trade. And eventually, if you have a proper strategy and you know that you have a edge in the market, you're gonna pass these accounts and you're gonna get these payouts. Okay, so don't overcomplicate it, right? Take your trades, follow your plan, and you'll pass your account. All right, and that's pretty much the video. I know it was a quick one, but there's nothing else really to go over, man. I showed you guys the trades. I documented everything. And we're going to continue to do this one trade a day challenge, and hopefully pass more accounts and get more payouts. And hopefully you guys follow along on the journey by hitting that subscribe button, and keep up to date with me by following my social medias. The links are all below. But I wish you guys good luck on your trading journey. Keep it simple, follow your plan, stay disciplined, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.